guys, I just gonna show you now how to transfer files from your host machine. So this one here, I wanna share this text file to my VirtualBox VM. So first, we need to make sure we have guest additions installed. So we go to devices in the machine and then insert guest additions CD image. That's it. Then, as you can see here, you have the CD drive D. We open folders to view files. And then we install here. Just click next, next, install. And click finish. Your virtual machine is gonna restart. So it's all good. So now guys, we are back. So next step is we go to devices, share folders, share folder settings. And right here, we add a new one. We click on the folder we want to share. So for me, it's this one here. And so I select the folder. It's up to you if you want to read only, but I do want to auto mount and make permanent. So we click OK, OK. And now we just open File Explorer, drop down, let's click in Share Folder, and I have my file. As you can see here, same file. And you are able to share files now. Thank you.